How to fix Fortnite can't receive gifts in Fortnite. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can fix your can't receive gift problem in Fortnite in 2026. So let's get started. So in order to do this, what you have to do is open settings, and once you open settings you have to go on this account and privacy icon. Once you're here, just click on social privacy, and once you're here, just make sure can receive gifts is turned on. If this is turned off, here you can see you will not be able to receive gifts from anyone, and if this turned on, you will be able to receive gifts from friends. And make sure to read this note. You need to be friends with the other player for at least 48 hours before receiving gifts. Means that if you want to gift someone or receive a gift from someone, you have to be friended you have to be friend with him for at least 48 hours or more. So yes, this is how you can fix your problem. If this guide was helpful for you guys, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.